In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install your M.2 drive properly. One of the advantages of using an M.2 drive compared to other forms of memory, like a hard drive or a SATA SSD, is that they are generally faster, but they are more expensive, M.2 drives are more fragile, and the setup's a bit trickier. First, we want to be locating all of our M.2 slots. So in this motherboard, we have one over here, and one over here. Generally, for most motherboards, the highest slot will give you the fastest speeds, but since we have already one installed over there, we're just going to be using the second slot. First, if you have a heat shield like this motherboard, you want to first remove it by unscrewing. Next, I would recommend you take your M.2 drive and hold it at a 30-degree angle and wiggle around until it gets secured in place. And all you have to do is press down and screw it in. Once you have your screws and heatsink aligned, all you have to do is screw it back in. And that's it, and hopefully this guide was helpful.